Hi and welcome to Down the Shed. So in this video I'm going to build this simple little doorbell kit. Use of a 555 timer. Does come with a chip socket, but I'm actually going to save that for other purposes. So let's see if I get a bit more light in here. Not really. Let's just crack straight on. So you get a bunch, actually 5 47k resistors, but you only need 4. Oh bloody hell, I'm not even going to bother pausing or editing this one because this is going to be so quick. Oh, bugger that one up. Go on, get him. There we go. And just by chance, they're all facing in the same direction. How about that? The OCD is happy. I don't always do it, but so these are yellow. I think that's yellow, purple, black, red, brown. Really hard to see on these, especially I need to get a new bulb for me magnifying lamp. That's really annoying. So that's our 4 47k resistors. Now we've got 2 diodes. They look like Schottky, the glass ones. Black band on the diode goes with the little white stripe on the board. So D1 and D2 are both here in the corner. And the little black stripe, or the white stripe on the board, is on the rough edge, the outer edge. I've actually got a little sand, like a rough sandpaper holder. It does a wonder on these. Smooths them right up. I need to find those. So that's the 2 diodes in. Now we've got 2 electrolytic capacitors. This one's 100 UF 16 volt. That says 10 UF on there, so it would be this one over here, long leg, plus on the board, white painted side with the grey stripe for minus, just in case your legs have been cut to the same length. Which only leaves the other one, which is upside down. That's the 10 UF 25 volt. Again, the stripy bit for the negative, the plus is marked. Now we've got 3 ceramics, all 103s. That's something like what, 0.1 UF or something silly. So one's here behind the 555. Quite a complex board for literally what it's going to do. That's a 103. And that should be a 103. It's always good to check them. So this is almost the board complete. We've got the speaker to do. We've got the switch to put in. And the little 555. So as I said, I'm not going to bother putting the chip holder in. I'm just literally going to put this straight on the board. Oh, come out of that one. So a little bit of guidance required. There we go. So the switch and the speaker we'll do in a moment. We'll get this lot on. So just literally stick everything down with the blue tack. Remember, if you always keep excess blue tack back, a nice decent blob of cold blue tack, when this is all hot and sticky, you can actually dab it off with the cold bit of blue tack. It's a brilliant little trick. So I'm going to solder and snip just to work my way in. See if this is warmed up yet. Right, just get my little fan going. It's my little extractor fan. Except for I've got no light now. Wouldn't hurt just to start doing the odd leg on the chip actually. Just so you don't overheat it, soldering it to the board instead of in the socket. It's fine. I'm only doing it this way because I've put so much in. I mean, it's such a small board, I've just put it all on at once instead of doing a few at a time, which does make this soldering easier. Remember, the soldering iron needs cleaning, and it needs to temporarily, periodically even, heat up. Let's get some of those off. This tip's alright for solder paste and chips, these surface melt jobbies, but I don't like it for all round soldering. I won't put my chisel one back on. The little piece of solder's nearly run out. In fact, it just did. So I've got some 0.6 and some 0.5. I've got into really small soldering just because of the SMD. So you just have to compensate for that and feed more in. Is that a pin? Yeah. I'll come back to that one. It's because I can't see what's in my way. Let's move the extractor fan. So that's been done. Oh, that's been done. That's been done. Let's get that back on shot. As I said, that's not going to get edited out. That was just to make it easier to see. Come on, you shit. I do. It's on. So basically, this is literally going to go ding dong. Oh, bridge there. Right. That's why I say overcomplicated board, because literally ding dong. Right, let's crack on. Right, that's all the components on almost. Okie dokie, let's get this blue tack off, and you'll see what I mean in a minute about the cold stuff. See how sticky that all is? Just dabbing it, even with the same piece there, has actually got most of it off. And just remember the notch on the chip with the goalpost on the board. I always say it, but could be a fresh viewer looking for this kit. So we'll pop the switch in. Just like so. They're taking much nicer. You wipe it just to clean the old crap off, stop it oxidizing, get some fresh flux on there. So that's the switch on. So all we've got left now is power. I don't really want to connect permanent on. Yeah, that's alright. A nice fat red one here. pluses on the outside. Oh, so let's get a negative on. These are really thin, crappy cables, but it's what came with the kit. I think it was AliExpress. I don't use Banggood. They can kiss my insert your own opinion here. Oh. See if we can get this one to behave as well. Oh yeah. So now we've got the speaker wires. So minus and plus. And hold cables through. That's alright, makes it easier. We have to just blob onto top of that now. One, eight, und don't know anymore. So those was in fact one of the power. These are the speaker. So we just need to connect the actual speaker now. There's no orientation on there, but I'm just going to go with left black, right red, minus pos, as always have done. It's usually where it is. Oh, got stuck to the magnet. This really ain't going well, is it? Come on. Right. Oh, would you stop, bloody magnet? Right, so all we need to do now is connect some power and listen to the magic of the last 20 minutes. Right, I need to disconnect the light. There's me one with power. I've got so many old USB cables for blooming phone ones with the ends cut off because they were knackered. And you can never find them when you need them. Every time I solder the plus, fan stops. Soldering iron must be earthing out then. Have to be able to unplug it. So I'll just pop one of these in one of them. That's good enough, it's only temporary. Right, turn that one yet, haven't I? Right, let's get ready for the amazement of this. Are you ready? I mean, are you really ready? That is the amazement of the 555 timer doorbell. So that's it. That was start to finish. No breaks, no interruptions, no cuts, no edits. Faults and all. Pauses and all. So this video has not been affiliated or connected in any way to anyone in any way, shape or form. In fact, none of them are actually sponsored by anyone. I pay for all my kits myself. But this one was something I bought. I've got a bunch of them somewhere, 5 or 6 I think, possibly a couple or 3 more. They will be on eBay at some point, even though I hate it. See how they go. And yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.